Northern Michigan lifestyle is within reach at Paradise Ranch. You can build your dreams with plots ranging from 2 to 5 acres. Work is just starting on Paradise Ranch, making now a great opportunity for you to capture your space.
One of the things that I really like about this development is the placement of the building sites themselves. We don't see other homes.
Great Lakes Land Company properties ensure you have what you need to do what you want. You'll have plenty of space to build, grow, or escape. Make the space your own. Options are unlimited.
This area was such a perfect area for us. The way the road just kind of winds through the trees and the way they set up the lots.
Once the dust settles, Paradise Ranch will be fully equipped with paved roadways, electricity to all lots, as well as natural gas and high-speed internet access. Just an easy drive from Traverse City and access to all that Northern Michigan has to offer.
In town, there's just so much culture that there didn't used to be. And yet out here, there's just so much nature and environment.
Yeah. You can easily spend the evening in town or head out into the woods and onto the lakes and rivers. This location will provide the access you're looking for to all the experiences of Northern Michigan.
We literally sat in the park and in the driveway here and called our builder and asked, if you can build us a home this summer, we're going to buy this lot.
Now is the time to start dreaming about what your future could look like at Paradise Ranch.